Today I'd like to demonstrate the Combi baby carrier. It's called the Magical Compact 4-Way because it has 4 carrying positions which make it very, very unique. The first position which I'll show you is the cradling position, which is perfect for a newborn up to about 7 kilos or about 6 months. It's unique in that it offers head and back support to the baby, so it's like a sling with a baby head and back support. The first thing you do when putting on the carrier is lay the carrier down on a change table or bed or chair or somewhere that's a convenient height. To operate the carrier, simply unclip the 2 straps, unclip the waist strap, place the baby in the carrier. The baby can have its hands either up around its chest if the baby's wrapped, or you can put them through the little armholes there. Similarly with the legs, if the baby's wrapped, you can leave the baby wrapped or pop them through the elastic leg holes, which we'll do today. A little strap goes across the baby's belly to keep the baby in place, and then all you simply do is lift these 2 straps together like so, pop one arm and head through and lift the baby on, and that's basically the position. Now to adjust this position, simply take the strap and have the straps there slightly doubling over on the shoulder to maximise the comfort. The baby's backside should be around the middle of your belly, around the belly button, and the head slightly higher. So it's very, very similar to a natural cradling position. This, you will notice, provides excellent head and back support, and it's an excellent alternative for people who don't like an upright carrier and don't necessarily like a sling, but want something that provides excellent air ventilation and baby back support. And it's also, as you've seen, very, very simple to operate. It can also be used as a breastfeeding aid, either on or you can take it off. Now to take the carrier off, you simply lay the baby down on a bench or change table or car seat or wherever it might be, and lift it through like so. Separate the straps, unclip the waist strap, and there you have it. Gently pick Bubs up. Okay, when you are finished with the cradling position and you move on to the next position, so the baby's 6 months or more than 7 kilos in weight, what you simply do is remove the cradling insert by unclipping the double-sided clips at the head of the carrier, re-clip those so there's nothing that can rub or annoy the baby, remove the Velcro padding, and you'll notice on the other side are 2 clips, and that then comes out. That is machine washable. You just wash it by popping it in a laundry bag on a gentle cycle, but not to be tumble dried. So that's been removed. So we turn to this position, which is the upright face in position. So what you simply do with this position is place the baby in the carrier like so. In the sides of the carrier is a chest clip. You simply clip that across the baby like so. You can see the baby's arms are naturally coming out the side. The legs should line up with the leg holes, and the baby's now ready to be lifted over. So this is unique in that you put the baby in the carrier first, then put on the carrier, rather than putting the carrier on and the baby after. So it makes it quite a bit easier. Now simply to pop on the carrier, you access the 2 clips like so, have them ready. You can pop your elbows in like so and clip this above the head. Then slide down the carrier a little bit till it's roughly in the right position, and then you can stand up like so. And all you need to do then is tighten the carrier to the desired position by pulling on these side straps. And that's it, as simple as that. Now to take the carrier off, again you would just do the reverse. You'd loosen the side straps like so. Reach over the top to grab that clip, support the baby, lay the baby down again onto a change table or bed or car seat, wherever you might be, unclip the chest harness, and then gently remove Bubs from the carrier. The next position I'd like to demonstrate is called the face-out cuddling position. It's suitable for a baby who's about 11 kilos or 6 months and up to about 12 kilos. And this position is a little different in that you put the carrier on first. So what I'll do is I'll just pop this on. Always makes it easier if you get those clips out ready behind the head like so, and keep it nice and loose. Then what you actually do is open the buckle and unclip the sides by twisting that D-ring, lay it down, and then basically grab your child gently lifting them up and sliding them into place. Now you'll find this child is a little short, but it's designed just to act as a general demonstration. So once the child's in place like so, this will operate folded down. We just clip these back up again, like this, covering those clips so they don't scratch the child. Same on this side. Two clips, and then you can just gently pull the sides to tighten and raise the harness like so, and that's about right. So the top of the baby's head just below the chin, and typically the baby would sit up like this. As I said before, this is obviously a short baby that would be too small for this position, and that's a good benchmark. The baby's chin should clear, well and truly clear the top of that carrier. Now to take this off, exactly the opposite. You unclip those, twist the D-ring, supporting the baby like so. You could lift it out of that point, or you could do the other side. Fold that down, gently lift the child up, and loosen the carrier. Makes it a little easier. Reach over the top, unclip, and that is the face-out cuddle position. And the final carrying position of the Combi Magical Compact is a back carrying position. Now what you basically do, it's very similar to putting on a backpack. At this stage the child would have to be about 11 kilos or 12 months or older. It actually takes up to 14.9 kilos, so the child should be able to sit up comfortably. Ideally you'd have someone help you with this position, because you don't want to risk the possibility of the child slipping off a bench or wherever you're loading the carrier. But what you would do is you'd put the child in, so the child would be able to sit up, legs go through. You can, if you like, use the chest strap, which we've used in a previous position. Arms go through like so. So the child would be capable of sitting up like this. And then what you simply would do is say, ideally have someone help you or to load this position, and you would back in like a backpack, putting that on like so. Now the front clip goes on for extra fastening, tightening up the harness so it's comfortable. And again, bearing in mind this baby is a short baby that would be in real life would be a lot longer at 12 months of age, but you can see the baby sitting quite low, but ultimately that should serve to show how the carrier would sit. To take the carrier off, what you would do is loosen the side straps again, just pulling those forward like so. As you twist the buckle, loosening it comfortably but yet supporting the child, turning around to a chair or a bench or somewhere low, ideally having someone to help you. Unclip the front like this, and you're gently taking the carrier off. And again, the child would be capable of sitting up at this age. Turn around to show the other angle. You could unclip this attachment and simply lift the child out like so.